How many email automations do you need for your e-commerce store? Hi, this is Andrew, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency, as well as this YouTube channel. And the most common questions I get all the time from the prospects is how many email automations or flows do I need, and how many emails per each email automations do I need? So in this video, I will walk through email automation that I strongly recommend for you, for your brand to have, and I will divide them in high priority, medium priority, and low priority, so you know where to start, where to focus all of your attention, and then when you have time, you can do the rest later. Before we continue with the video, I have a short announcement to make. We are growing and we have a few spots available for new clients, and I would like to tell you about our partner program. Give $1,000, get $1,000. How does it work? If you know anybody in your network who are e-commerce brand, online retailers, please refer them to us, and if they sign up with us, you will get $1,000 and they will get $1,000 discount toward their credit. Or if you are an e-commerce brand and you would like to work with us, we will give you $2,000 towards your first month of the retainer. Just visit flowium.com/partner and see the details of a partner program, and we have a template there, email template, which you can send it to your friend or somebody you know in e-commerce space. So the general idea is you need all email automations, what we call foundational email automations, for your customer lifecycle. What is customer lifecycle? I have another YouTube video about it where you can watch it and understand what it is and how does it work. But you need those automation to cover customer lifecycle before you do anything else. So let's start. Okay, so I just opened our service frequently asked question because this is, again, as I said, this is the most common question we get from our clients. So let's start. I will divide those automations into three categories, as I said: high priority, medium priority, low priority. So let's start with the high priorities. So high priority are three automations. The first one is abandoned cart, and we include between 4 to 7 emails in that automation. Depends on the brand, depends what you sell, depends how expensive your product and how much explanation we need to do. The second one is the pre-purchase, also known as the welcome flow. Again, it depends on your brand, but we do recommend between 7 to 10 emails to include there, because it's a long funnel to nurture your lead before you can sell them. And the last one for high priority is a post-purchase. So when somebody buys from you, you do want to communicate with them. You do not want to stop after you sell them something and stop. Like, as you know, the biggest issue with in e-commerce or in any retailer is one-time buyers. The hardest job for you not to convert them into one-time buyer, but the hardest job is to convert them from one-time buyer to two-time buyers. So you need to have post-purchase. It's very, very, very important for you to have it, because you would be able to upsell, cross-sell them other products, or just serve them better. Okay, so we just covered 3 automations for high priority, which is abandoned cart, post-purchase, and pre-purchase welcome flow. Let's talk now about the medium. So the medium one are bounce back, then bounce back, browser abandonment, and exit intent. So those 3 flows are optional. Like, first you need to focus on the high priority, then those 3 are bounce back. It's just Google it, bounce back Klaviyo, and they have a full article about like bounce back emails, and I bet we either schedule or already posted on YouTube bounce back automations. The idea here is just to sell to first-time buyer again in a matter of the same day, sell them something else. Then browser abandonment, we have a video about this. So just again, browser abandonment, add Flowium and check how to set it up. We have 3 emails in that flow. And the last one, the exit intent, it's aggressive flow, but it does work, and it does magic in terms of conversion. So the idea here, you want to sell them as soon as possible, versus when you do pre-purchase, it's like longer nurturing thing. You're providing value, you're providing content, you're educating them about the brand. Here, exit and then it's just strictly on a sale, urgency, deadlines, like pam pam pam, buy from us, that's it. Okay, those are 3 medium priority flows, and those are a number of emails per each flow. So now let's talk about the low priority flow. Again, those are the least important flows you need to create in your email marketing program. So those are win back, sunset, and 2x buyer. So 2x buyer, again, like if somebody purchased from you second time, you want to talk to them again and you want to acknowledge them that they purchasing from you second time. Typically we have 3 emails in that flow, but the sky's the limit. You can add as many emails into 2x buyer as you want. Sunset, this is the flow to clean up your list. Again, I might be wrong, but I believe we already posted a video about this. So just Google sunset flow at Flowium and just double check, we might have that. So we include 3 emails. The goal here to re-engage your subscribers who are not engaging with your emails. And the last one, win back, it's somebody who purchased from you either 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 5 times, and they did not buy again from you for a specific period of time. So you just want to follow up with them and try to convert them into another sale. Also, I would like to talk to you about the optional flows. Again, this is like do high priority first, then medium priority, and then low priority, and then optional. So optional automations around your technology stack. Maybe you use loyalty program, or a referral program, review software, and you are able to build automations around those software. We have a lot of email marketing around loyalty program. So you just in YouTube type in loyalty Flowium and there's a bunch of videos where we exactly outline the details of our strategy, what we put, like how we set it up and so forth. So you can watch it later, but remember, this is the least important at this moment automations for you. First, you need to focus and finish those 3. When I explain this to our customers, they say, I hear you, I understand you, but tell me what is bare minimum. I'm just starting out and I want to start like yesterday. And I hear you, I understand you, and it's good for you. Like, I agree with you. It's better to start with something than just wait for that perfect email, perfect sequence, perfect automation to turn it on. So here's my personal recommendation. Take those 3 flows, abandon cart, pre-purchase and post-purchase, and include only 1 email in each. So 3 automations, 3 emails. So this is the most important thing for you to do. This is the bare minimum for you to do to keep going. But when set it live, make sure it's working. So everybody who visiting your site and subscribe and receive something, anybody who start buying process but they did not finish the buying process, they receive something. Once somebody purchased from you, they receive some kind of email communication from you. So those are 3 the most important emails you must have now, yesterday, month ago. Like, do not delay. If you don't have it, please stop watching this video right now. Don't even continue, like right now, and implement it. Then you can build on it and develop the other emails. Another question is client asking us, okay, we want you, like us, like because we are a full service email marketing agency, to do it for you. So how long will it take you to do it? Based on our experience, to develop all those automations, proper strategy, create email templates, create design, create copy for all those emails, it will take between 2 to 3 months to implement, like A to Z, like start to finish. And the next logical question, how much it costs? In our business, the current plan that we charge for flows only, for automations only, is $3,500 per month. So it takes 2 months, so it will cost $7,000 to do. If it takes 3 months, it will cost $10,500 to do. And why is such a big discrepancy between 2 months and 3 months? Because sometimes clients very particular about their design copy. So there might be, I will exaggerate, but like hundreds revisions for what we put in each email, what kind of asset, how it looks like, and so forth. I hope I answered your question. And if there are any follow-up questions, please let me know under this video, and I'm checking comments every day except Saturday and Sunday probably, and responding to all of them. And if you're not a subscriber on this YouTube channel, I strongly recommend for you to subscribe, because we provide a lot of value about email marketing, Klaviyo, and sometimes like I have inspiration to share what we do inside of our business. Thank you. Bye.